My name is Walter Kräutler. I'm an architect based in Austria. I have my own company since 15 years. And we're mainly focused on doing projects with a lot of precision on details. And that's also probably why I got in contact with FritsJurgens. Our goal is to work together with the clients, work together with the companies as precise as possible to create nice spaces, nice rooms. And in this specific project, the church in Upper Austria, that was sort of a delicious project because I was working a lot with an artist, Sofie Thorsen. And we together, we created or renovated also quite a huge church. And there were a lot of people involved, the priest and the bishop also. As in general, it's actually a Gothic church. And in 1900, around 1900, it was changed into a Neo-Gothic church. It was made bigger because it was quite a wealthy surrounding. The church was actually planned for 1,000 people. And now they are more or less, for a regular church, 400 people going in. And so a top priority was to make it light, to get light in, to get rid of the unnecessary things. So the main construction was giving, but everything inside was negotiable. And so what we did also is, when you look to the church, how it was a central orientated church. You had the priest in the front and all the spectators, they came in and looked to the church. So what we did is we sort of got the spectators around the priest, and we took the altar more to the middle of the church, so that you have the feeling that you're, that it's not such a central thing that where you look to the front, but you're part of the ceremony. And that we also got quite a good feedback that works really well for the spectators and for the people who go to church. And also the altar, to get it as light as possible. To have just a stone table and with some nice and tiny steel pipes running down, really, really tiny. And that was also a little bit of reference to the Gothic church, where we have a lot of columns that are holding the roof, and this altar and also the other elements. So finally, when the church was opened, there was a huge ceremony, again with the bishop and the whole church family sort of was quite happy. And we got a good feedback also for all the details, all the altar, but also, of course, the two main entrances that we changed, because since we wanted to have the room and the space quite open, that you come in and you see it, that you get rid of all this unnecessary stuff. So we created this two glass and steel constructions, and again, one of the top priorities was to keep it simple. That's where the people things from FritsJurgens came in, because they are so simple and they are in the detail. They are quite precisely done, and we could just integrate them in our glass and steel construction. And they are working really good. We get a good feedback that hundreds of people are going in there, of course, every Saturday and Sunday for the church. And that's rewarding, and that's quite good. We like it.